Hello friends. The goal of this video is to show you how the current charging setup works in terms of actual usage. So I'm actually, some of you may recognize, outside Zero headquarters right now, charging up, or about to charge up. I pulled up, I've put both J-plugs in this, and by the way, this is probably one of the nicest installs I've done in terms of ease of use. The side rack luggage racks here just make this so incredibly nice to mount these. I can't get over how really convenient that is. So the bike is on, everything's turned off, all the switches are off, and so what we're gonna do, so you can see 66% here and no charging, and I'm gonna turn the chargers on with the switch right here and this one over here. So these are the resistor switches that turn the stations on. Then I'm going to turn on the enable switch that tells the bike it's in charge mode, because right now the bike does not know it's in charge mode, and I'm going to turn on this switch that I've mounted right here. When I do that, it puts the bike into charge mode and the timer appears. You can see then there are 34 minutes left until it's full. This means I can actually turn the key off and walk away. Now, minor thing, I thought this was experimental on my part. I thought, hey, what a great spot to put the enable switch would be in the leftover inlet for the for the old power outlet. But it turns out, upon riding, my ankle definitely hits this and switches it on. Yeah, I would suggest a different spot. I don't have a perfect idea for that yet. Just make sure wherever it is that it's securely fastened and not going to get in the way of the belt. So, when you're all done charging, and so you want to get back on the road, I don't yet. I need to continue charging, but I'm just going to pretend in this case. I'm going to turn the charge switch off, and the bike's going to go, oh, it's not charged anymore. Turn this off, unplug the J-plugs, blah, 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 and then, just ride off, continue along. Simple.